Hello, thank you for joining me. You're watching Esther from Stampin' Star Creations. I'm using Showered with Love from the Itty Bitty Greetings, which is a two-part stamp set, as well as the Beautiful You, the Lady with the Umbrella, which also is a two-part stamp set. I've got some pre-cut Whisper White cardstock using Grey Granite, Flirty Flamingo and Balmy Blue. Stamp the lady near the edge of the page because I don't want to get the puddle bit or the shadow on the bottom of the card. Making sure that your sentiment's the right way round and working with Flirty Flamingo and just using that to shower the sentiment onto the card. Use my chamois to wipe off my stamp and go back in with Balmy Blue. Colour her dress in with light Smoky Slate blender pen. I decide there's something missing, it looks too plain, so I grab my sponges and I'm going to just go over the sentiments to try and make them stand out a bit more. And then go in with the Flirty Flamingo. Still not sure about this card, so I decided to add a highlight with the yellow, the Daffodil Delight Stampin Blends. Mount it onto a bit of white and then grey granite. Still not convinced. Decided to start again, this time just using yellows and greys, so Pineapple Punch, and being a bit more directional with where I actually lay the stamps down on this one. Add in a bit of crushed curry just for a bit of contrast to the yellows. Again using the Smoky Slate to create a shadow, and then I decided I would use this to colour in also the umbrella and her dress. Now I carry on going back in with the same colour to create a bit of shading on the umbrella. And then using the light Stampin' Blends first and then going back in with a darker colour to create a bit of shading. Get a sponge and sponge around the edges just to try and bring this card together. I didn't feel that each individual sentiment needed sponging like the other card. I was much happier with these results, and I just took the mount from the other card and used it on this one instead, just to get an idea firstly of what it looked like. Don't worry about the Stampin' Blend seeping through the page, this is normal. I'm going to have that all covered up anyway. Just using my Silicone Mat to avoid any gluing to the page, and then using a grey granite background as my base card. And there's the card side to side. I was pleased with the results of the yellows with the greys. You can't go too wrong. Do give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Comment below. All these things that you've seen today are available from my shop at stampinstarcreations.co.uk. Thank you very much. Have a good day.